Good morning, everyone. It is 8:07. I've already been over to the storage unit, grabbed a package that sold on eBay, and headed to the post office with that. And then I am headed to get some donuts for the crew. We have got a very long and busy day today at the campground, and I thought I'd bring you along for it. For those who might be new to our channel, my name's Patrick. We've been RVing, me and my wife, for 20 years, and we are leaving our full-time teaching jobs so that I can manage Happy Acres Campground in Angola, Indiana, 7 months out of the year. And then we're going to be heading to Texas this winter, where it's got to be warmer than Indiana, right? We sold our house back in February, and this is Friday of Memorial Day weekend. We have had rain for 3 days in a row, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I think things are going to dry out, but normally we mow on Wednesdays and Thursdays to get ready for a weekend, and we've gotten no mowing done. So today we've got to get mowing done. We've got to get the park ready. We've got 30 check-ins, which is a high number for us. We're a 91 site park. Of that, we have 39 sites and cabins for nightly rental. The rest are seasonals. And so we did have a few people come in yesterday, but most are coming in today. But I'm going to run in here to Tom's Donuts to get some sugar to get the crew going this morning, go back and get some coffee made, and then we're going to hit it hard. And I'm going to bring you along for as much of it as I can possibly, so you can see what is probably going to end up being about a 13-hour day for me. And at the end of the day, we'll see whether I'm still loving this job. I am push mowing the dog park right now, and I'm using our electric push mower. About halfway done, and then once I get done with this, then we're going to go out and do some site prep, but I at least want to get the dog park ready before the dogs start showing up. All right, so that is done. Dog park is mowed, Robin trimmed for me, and now I'm on to doing dog cleanup stations. You've seen this before, so I won't bore you with it, but I still have 5 more to go. Today is definitely an all hands on deck day. Even Angie and Kevin, the owners, are here pitching in. Kevin's back mowing. Angie's working on the pool because today is actually the first day we're going to open the pool for the season. And so everybody, including Jen, who does bathrooms for us 5 days a week, today was supposed to be her day off. I asked her if she wanted to pick up a couple extra hours, and she was so gracious to say yeah. And then that freed Robin up, who was supposed to be doing bathrooms today, to help me with the lawn. And she, like I said, she's working on weeding and weed whacking, or weed whipping, whatever you call it. What do you call it? Put that down below in the comments. What do you call that when you go around and trim? I've heard it called different things. Bill has our big mower working on these big sections. I tell you what, it's like a batwing mower, and it saves us a ton of time using this versus our Skag mowers. You can see you can really take out large sections at one time. Now, we can't use this down around the sites. It's way too big, but for up here, it works great. It's time for a doggy break. This is Cooper. Hi, Cooper. How are you, buddy? We love our 4-legged friends here at Happy Acres. Hi, buddy. You're doing so good. Oh, you're on a tether. So Amy, everybody knows Amy. She's our work camper, one of our work campers. Are you excited for today?
Super excited.
It's going to be a long day.
It's going to be a busy day.
Yeah, we've got mowing crews going. We've got site prep going, and you're going to be up at the store today.
Yep.
And tonight, something super exciting.
Yes, we're ready.
Yeah, we're launching a new t-shirt design. So, yeah, what a gorgeous day. After 3 days of rain, it's nice to finally see some blue skies. There's Don on the Skag working on this front section of the park. Tell you what, we are getting there, slow but sure. Still a lot to go. Still got to get over here at all the cabins, around the pond. But we're making progress, and it's only 10:20. Dog park's looking great. Bill ended up getting this deck built this week, and then Angie had ordered this, I don't know, like a little pavilion from Amazon. So we got that put together, and then he also built a picnic table for the dog park. So it's looking really, really good out here. We just keep adding little touches, try to make the guest experience a little bit better. I don't, however, like these cushions. They don't even go with this swing. I just think it looks tacky. So I'm gonna take a quick measurement here, and then I'm gonna run to town, see if I can't find something better. Looks like I need something in the range of 59 inches wide. It's like maybe 21, 22. Let's see, yeah, maybe 22. All right, now I normally wouldn't run to town since we're so busy like this, but there's another issue I guess I need to correct yet today, and I'll show you. The shower curtain liners in these two bathrooms down here were getting kind of gross, so we replaced them, but apparently these are just too heavy for this tension rod, and so Jen asked me if I could go find lighter weight, or I may look for a longer one so that we could actually put this tension rod up above. Problem is, you can see you might be able to see it's not even doing its job. It needs to be down in. So I'm gonna run into Menards, see what we can find. Well, there's Robin working on some weeding and trimming. I don't think we could ask for a better crew. I mean, this crew is amazing. Where everybody's pulling together today, and I guess I'm pretty fortunate. There's those Tom's Donuts I bought for the crew. Looks like a few are gone. I am going to grab myself a cup of coffee and take it with me to town. Hey, you are quite welcome. I just figured everybody could use a little sugar this morning, and they look good too. I just got an assortment, so there's a little bit of everything. Plain glazed, I don't know, there's one that looks really tempting, but I've already had one, so. Well, let's go see if we can save some big money here at Menards. That's their tagline, so. All right, I'm not seeing anything big enough. These are only 47 inches. I think it was 59, and they're $40 a piece, so. Looks like they're not gonna have anything here. But on the good news, I did find some shower liners that are longer, so we'll give them a try. Quick stop for lunch, and then I'm headed back to the campground. If you're ever in Angola, and the taco truck is here at Gay's Hops and Shops Party Store, definitely check them out. Tacos are amazing, burritos are amazing, and the street corn, that stuff shouldn't even be legal, it's so good. Oh yeah, those look delicious. The good news is I got the length on these liners to where it's gonna stay inside the shower, and then I was also able to go above this, which should help this tension rod stay in place. The problem is there are not as many grommets in the taller one as there is our decorative one on the outside. So now I have I got like that. And I don't know, for right now, I don't want to mess with it. So I've just got, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I've got shower curtains out here. I've got shower curtains together, but it'll get us through the weekend, and then I'll figure out a game plan. It may be as simple as just going with 2 shower curtain rods. I don't know. Not sure why all of a sudden this has become an issue. All right, there we go. I did a little mowing on the electric mower, getting a couple more sites. It is still wet in certain areas. I'm a little concerned about campers that are going over there where I was just mowing. That one will be fine, but straight across, I got to go see what kind of RVs coming in there. We may have to. I've got back in the seasonal section, I've got a couple sites that I could use if I absolutely have to, so hopefully we won't. But if it's more than a pop-up going over there, then I think we're gonna have to move them. 1:30, back inside. I think things are coming together. Outside, they're finishing up, mowing some seasonal lots that need to get done. And now we're just waiting for the arrivals, and we have a lot of them. In fact, they don't all fit. This is the pile of the ones that won't even fit in our rack. So it's going to get hectic at some point. All right, it is now 3:30, and we have probably checked in. When I say we, it's really Amy. You think we're halfway there, Amy?
I would say half. Yeah.
About halfway there so far. And so far it's going fine. Most people have stayed here before, so they know the drill. And then over here we have our mannequin. because tonight's the big
reveal.
The big reveal. So Amy makes all of these t-shirts, her and Angie, but you've kind of taken over. Angie really hasn't done it in quite a while.
She does the hard part, and I just press them.
I think that's the hard part, because if I did it,
yeah.
everybody would be wearing t-shirts with crooked logos. But I guess I can give you guys a sneak peek here. So this is the new, oh no, I can't. Well, wait, Amy's got it all clipped up. I don't want to make you do it. All right, so, or we could have just got, so this is the new design we're launching tonight. Jane says Camp Happy. And for those of you that don't know, Jane is one of the two dogs that Angie and Kevin have. And so Dexter's the other one, but Jane is becoming kind of like the mascot. So yeah, I think these are going to be popular shirt designs.
I think so too.
So we'll see.
Yeah.
All right, now we just wait for another 15 people to arrive. Checking back in, it's 4:30 and I've got 12 to come in. I just sent Amy back to take a little break, check on her dog and let him out. Because, you know, that's the thing. Sometimes we work these long hours up here. And so we've got to, you know, get the puppies out, give them a little fresh air. Send her back. I've ordered pizza from Domino's because we have to go straight from closing the store up to the campfire tonight. And so I told Amy I just order pizza for all of us. Angie and Kevin, our owners, told them so they can come up. And then we'll eat a quick bite of pizza, and then we'll go get that campfire going. One of us will have to stay behind to close the store. So yeah, we're getting there. I have to say, we have an amazing crew. They have worked so hard today. The outside crew, getting everything done. Amy is like amazing up here. The fact that I could go out and mow and leave her up here and not worry. So, you know, it makes my job so much easier when you have a crew that just knows what to do. They just do it. And so, yeah, I see some cars rolling in, maybe some check-ins. So I'll check back in later. Hopefully next time we'll be up at the campfire. Well, I did it again. I forgot to record up at the campfire. I'll put a little B-roll here. I don't have much, but yeah, we didn't have a huge turnout for the campfire, but I think part of it is it's actually chilly out here in Indiana in May. But the big reveal tonight was this shirt. Jane, Angie and Kevin, our owner's dog, is being honored with their own t-shirt. And we did have several people purchase t-shirts or sweatshirts with this design on it. So got everybody in for the night. I think we're good. We did have one person show up who thought they had a reservation. They didn't. Luckily, I had a seasonal site that we're getting rid of that still has electric to it, full hookup. I was able to put them back there for tonight. And so I think that worked out well. But we have a full house for this weekend, but it's a long day. I'm now on 12 hours and going to get some sleep because tomorrow we start all over. Tomorrow we're having a pool party that's honestly not going to happen because it's just too cold out, but we're still going to do the free snow cones up in the pavilion. We'll do that tomorrow. And then on Sunday, we have more activities, including a golf cart parade and a cornhole tournament. But overall, today has went great. And the reason today went great is because we have this amazing crew here at Happy Acres Campground. And honestly, without all of them, Amy and Bill and Robin and Don and Jen and Angie and Kevin, these amazing campground owners, we would not be able to do what we do here. And I'm just fortunate to have such a great staff. So till next time, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this short look at what my day was like on Friday, a Memorial Day here at Happy Acres. And until next time, we'll see you on down the road. Bye.
Travels with Delaney. We'll see you on down the road.